Ever wondered about the moringa tree and why it has become so prominent? A fascinating subject indeed. The moringa tree, also known as the miracle tree or tree of life, is growing in popularity across the globe. With its roots tracing back to the foothills of the Himalayas, this resilient plant has managed to spread its branches far and wide, thriving in tropical and subtropical climates. Its resilience, coupled with an array of health benefits, has earned it the title of miracle tree. A name that is well deserved, as you will discover. But this is not just a tale of a plant with extraordinary health benefits. It is also a story of how this tree fits into the larger picture of sustainable living and permaculture. So, why is Moringa making waves in the world of permaculture? Let's dive in. Moringa, a powerhouse of nutrition, holds an impressive array of health benefits. This extraordinary tree, often referred to as the miracle tree, is brimming with vitamins A, B, C, D and E, not to mention a rich variety of minerals like calcium, potassium and iron. It's also a fantastic source of protein, which is quite unusual for a plant. But the wonders of moringa don't end with its nutritional profile. It also boasts antioxidant properties, helping to combat free radicals in the body, while its anti-inflammatory capabilities assist in reducing inflammation and promoting overall health. Incorporating this nutrient-packed plant into your diet is like giving your body a healthful boost. Whether you sprinkle its leaves in your salad, brew them into a tea, or grind them into a powder to add to your smoothie, you're taking in a treasure trove of benefits. But the magic of moringa doesn't stop at health benefits. Now we move on to its role in permaculture. Moringa, a versatile tree, can play a significant role in permaculture systems. This hardy plant can be incorporated into a variety of environments, from large-scale farms to small urban gardens, making it a fitting addition to any permaculture design. Growing moringa is a fairly straightforward process. This tree thrives in warm, sunny climates and can withstand temperatures up to 48 degrees Celsius. It also has a remarkable tolerance for poor soil conditions, even flourishing in sandy or rocky soils. Its deep taproot system enables it to access water and nutrients inaccessible to other plants, making it a resilient addition to your permaculture system. But moringa's versatility goes beyond its growing conditions. It also plays multiple roles within permaculture systems. One of its most significant contributions is its ability to improve soil quality. The fallen leaves and pruning residues from moringa trees quickly decompose, enriching the soil with organic matter and essential nutrients. This not only enhances the soil structure but also promotes the growth of beneficial soil organisms. Moreover, moringa has been used in water purification processes. The seeds contain a protein that attracts dirt and bacteria, causing them to coagulate and settle at the bottom. This property can be harnessed in permaculture designs to purify grey water or pond water, providing a sustainable solution for clean water access. Moringa also serves as a valuable food source. Its leaves, pods and seeds are packed with nutrients, offering a dietary supplement for both humans and animals. Its high protein content and rich assortment of vitamins and minerals have earned it the nickname the miracle tree. Finally, as a fast-growing tree, moringa can provide shade and wind protection for other plants in your system, contributing to a balanced and diverse ecosystem. As you can see, moringa is a great asset in permaculture, adding value to our health and our environment. Its resilience, versatility and multiple uses make it a plant worth considering in your permaculture design. Moringa, the miracle tree, truly lives up to its name. In our journey today, we've delved into the heart of this wonder, exploring its myriad health benefits and its crucial role in permaculture. From its roots to its leaves, every part of the moringa offers something beneficial, be it nutrition, medicine or soil enrichment. A native of the tropics, this resilient tree has shown us how it thrives in various climates, making it an ideal addition to any permaculture farm. But the beauty of moringa doesn't stop there. It invites us to be creative, to incorporate it into our diets in the most delicious ways. Now we turn the stage over to you. Have you tried moringa? Do you have a favorite recipe? We'd love to hear from you. We hope you've enjoyed learning about the moringa tree. If you did, please give us a like and subscribe. And don't forget to share your own moringa recipes in the comments. Until next time, keep exploring the wonders of permaculture.